Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Here we will present the result of our discussion based on several journals. First of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Rafi Fazri with NRP 2042221060. And there is my friend. His name is
Hello, my name is Yeni Saputra with the last three NLV 064.
Move to the first explanation that will be delivered by my friend.
Okay. In the first one is the transfer layer. The transfer layer is the fourth layer in the open system interconnection or OSI model and is responsible for end-to-end communication over the network. The transport layer provides logical communication between application process running on different hosts in a layered protocol architecture and other network component. In the next slide, there is how the transfer layer is work. The transfer layer work takes data transferred in the session layer and breaks it into segments on the transmitting end. It is responsible for reassembling the segment on the receiving end, turning it back into data that can be used by the session layer. And there is OT RTP and IoT RTCP adaptive protocol for multimedia transmission over Internet of Things environment. There is the example for journal with topic the issue from journal. The issue interest in this journal is the challenge of multimedia transmission in IoT environment, include limitation of IoT system, such a bottleneck, heterogeneous environment, rapid data growth, high frequency of data exchange, dynamic device position, and energy constraint on many IoT nodes. There is how to RTP, RTCP work in the diagram. Okay, the next slide is technology used in the journal. The technology used in this journal is the development of adaptive version of the real-time transport protocol or RTP and real-time control protocol RTCP, tailored for Internet of Things environment, known as IoT RTP and IoT RCTP. This technology is designed to consider the characteristic of IoT environment, such as transmission channel heterogeneity, sudden change in session size, and different multimedia source. And the next slide is research gap in the journal is the lack of previous research of or trial aimed at developing protocol for the transmission of multimedia stream through IoT environment. The author highlighted the need for adaptive version of real-time communication protocol, specifically RTP and RTCP, to address the challenge posed by IoT system, such as different bandwidth, energy consumption ratio, passive feature, and a large number of users joining and leaving multimedia session within short time period. And the next slide, there is new method in this journal is development of adaptive version of the real-time transport protocol or RTP and real-time control protocol RTCP, specifically designed for multimedia transmission over IoT environment. This adaptive version known as IoT RTP and IoT RCTP aim to address the challenge posed by IoT environment by dividing large multimedia session into similar session with awareness of network status. Additional fields are added to the RTV and RTV had to work under certain conditions and declared network overload. And the conclusion in this journal is proposed adaptive version of RTP and RTCP, namely IoT RTV and IoT RTCP, outperform the traditional version in terms of multimedia transmission through IoT environment. The adaptive version divide large multimedia session into small ones, taking into account the special properties of IoT environment such as coding, diversity, channel, and bottlenecks. By adding new fields to the header of the adapted version to determine the network status vertically. The proposed protocol saw improvement in end-to-end delay jitter, number of receiver resource, packet loss, throughput, and energy consumption. The result indicate that using IoT RTP or RTCP for multimedia transmission through IoT environment is recommended due to its superior performance compared to traditional version. And the new technology in use in this journal is of the adaptive version of the real-time transfer protocol and real-time control protocol tailored for multimedia transmission over IoT environment. This adaptive protocol, known as IoT RTP and IoT RTCP, are designed to address the challenge posed by IoT environment, such as diverse bandwidth, energy consumption ratio, passive feature, and a large number of use joining and leaving multimedia session within short time period. By dividing large multimedia session into small ones and considering the special property of IoT environment, such as coding, diversity, channel, and bottlenecks, the proposed protocol aim to improve end-to-end delay jitter, packet loss, throughput, and energy consumption compared to traditional version.
Okay, so move to the title of journal, which is Hybridizing Differential Evolution and Nelder-Mead Simplex Algorithm for Global Optimization. So the problem is the journal presents a novel hybrid algorithm that merges the differential evolution algorithm with the Nelder-Mead simplex method to address global optimization problems, such as finance and management science, structure optimization, engineering design, image processing, and pattern recognition, network and transportation problem, molecular biology, and so on. With the development of the society, many practical problems have two features, which is high dimensions and multi-extremum. Next. So the technology used. Global search algorithms start the search from a group of candidate solutions and combine these solutions in some special way to produce a new generation of better solutions. The genetic algorithms, the memetic algorithms, and the differential evolution, the particle swarm optimization algorithms, and artificial bee colony are typical representatives of the global search. So next in search research gaps. The study presents a comparative analysis between a newly developed algorithms and unstable algorithms for global optimization tasks by integrating components from two different algorithms. The new approach exhibits enhanced performance. The research receives support from multiple research foundations, and it includes reference to relevant studies and algorithms in the field. Next. Next, there is a new technology. The newly introduced hybrid algorithms named DE and IM combines the differential evolution and Nelder-Mead simplex method for global optimization. These algorithms showcase notable advancements over conventional DE algorithms in terms of optimization outcomes. The new methodology integrates mutation crossovers and in-M steps to efficiently explore and exploit the search space. Through numerical experiments conducted on various test functions, the efficiency of the DE-NM algorithms is clearly demonstrated. So the conclusion is simplex is a term commonly used in optimization, refers to a geometric shape that exists in dimensional space where n represents the number of variables in the optimization problem. In the context of the Nelder-Mead simplex algorithms, a simplex is a geometric figure that is formed by a set of n plus 1 points in n-dimensional space. These points are literally adjusted based on the function evaluations or converge towards the optimal solution at the optimization problem. Next. Next. Okay. Okay, if you have any question, please ask them in the comment sections. So many presentations from us, hopefully useful for the listeners and can be understood well. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.